Anyanwu. I'm taking your mathematics grade 2. And our lesson topic is length. I'm sure you'll be asking, what is length? Simply put, length is the distance between 2 points. Like from this point, I can call this point A, and to this point B. The distance between these 2 points is what? Length. It can also be the distance between my toe or my foot and my head. That's length also. So length can be measured as height, breadth, or width. So what we are looking at here are the methods of measuring length. We have the ancient methods or the olden days method. That's the methods our forefathers used in measuring length when there was no technology. We have the handspan. You can see the shape here of the handspan. It's simply by spreading your palm from the index, the little finger here, to the thumb, gives you the handspan. The distance between this little finger to the thumb is your handspan. While we also have the arm length or the cubits. From your elbow to your thumb gives you the cubits. You can see the picture. So when you want to use cubits to measure the length of something, of an object, you put your elbow down and you measure it to the tip of your thumb. That's the cubits. Then we also have the foot step. The foot step, you drop this step and you move the next one, and that gives you the foot step. These were the methods the people in the ancient times used in measuring length. Some also used rope to measure length. Now, what about this our present time or the modern time? What are the instruments we use in this modern time to measure length? We have what is called vernier caliper. I'm sure you have not seen this at this your level, but you're going to use it when you begin to do practicals in your physics and chemistry. You use the vernier caliper to measure length. We also have the ruler. We all know what a ruler is, right? And I'm sure most of you have your ruler with you. You use the ruler to measure length. That's a picture of what you see here. We also have the tape rule. When you go to make a new dress, the tailor will bring out his tape to begin to measure different parts of your body, the length around different parts of your body. What they use is called tape rule. And then there's a screw gauge. It's also used to measure. When you're measuring with the screw gauge and the vernier caliper, you measure very tiny lengths that go in millimeters. When you're using the tape rule, you have them in centimeter, and also the ruler, you measure in centimeter. The tape rule, you measure in meters. So these are the modern methods of measuring length. I can decide to do an activity now by measuring the length of this rectangle you see here. I'll simply pick my ruler and place it and begin my counting from the 0 point to where it ends. You can see this first one stops at 30. Let me get my marker, and then we'll get the actual length of this rectangular shape. From 0 point here to this, I have 30 centimeters with my ruler, and I'll pick it up again from where I stopped. Remember, I had 30, and here I have 8.5. So 30 centimeter plus 8.5 centimeter gives me what? 38.5 centimeter. That's the length of this rectangular shape. And here I have a square too. I can check the length of this square. You see my 0 point here, and I place it on this shape. Starting from the 0 to this place, I have 15.1 centimeter. Remember, a square has 4 equal sides. That means I'm not going to bother measuring the other sides of the square, because all other sides of it, the length is the same, 15.1 centimeter. So I'm going to give you a home fun. I'm going to give you an exercise which you will do when you get home. You are going to use either your handspan or your cubit to measure the length of your room and also the length of your bed. I'd like you to enjoy that activity. You can as well get a tape rule if you have one and measure the length of your dress. If you have a dress, a full dress, you measure the length, or your trousers, and then you take note of what it is. So all of these will help you to know the actual length of the objects around you. Do enjoy carrying out these activities I've given you as your home fun. See you in the next lesson.